Do you know what's Kriti Kharbanda's hair care secret? In a recent interview, Bollywood actress Kriti Kharbanda revealed that her hair care secret is inspired by her mother, emphasizing homemade remedies for stronger and healthier hair growth. Her recipe involves blending olive oil with curry leaves and amla, boiling the mixture, straining it and storing it in a bottle once cooled. The B-Town Diva also recommends applying this oil twice a week. Meanwhile, Kriti is all set to tie the knot with her long-time boyfriend Pulkit Samrat. The bride-to-be and her fans are really excited for her big day. So let us tell you the benefits of using amla and curry leaves on hair. Amla and curry leaves contain nutrients that stimulate hair follicles, promoting healthy hair growth. Both amla and curry leaves are rich in antioxidants and vitamins that help prevent premature graying of hair by nourishing the scalp and hair follicles. Amla and curry leaves are known to strengthen hair from the roots, reducing breakage and hair fall. The natural oils present in amla and curry leaves provide deep conditioning to the hair, leaving it soft, smooth and manageable. The antimicrobial properties of amla and curry leaves help in treating dandruff and maintaining a healthy scalp. We hope you liked this video. So for more such content, do like and subscribe TheHealthSite.com.